Hey everybody, welcome to Jon-Bon Workshop. I'm John. Today I'm going to do a little landscape project out in front of my house, so let's get going. All the broken limestone we have edging this piece of grass in front of the house here. Kind of like to do something different. I've got some edging blocks from a buddy of mine the other day, and I think the plan is to take out all those broken limestone rocks. They're just kind of laying there, and maybe make a straight line here, clean all this up. And then on the other end, I have a little wall here that I built last fall out of another stack of blocks I got over here. And I think I'll kind of do the same thing on the other end down there, and then we'll just connect it with a nice straight edge line in there. I just think it'll be a lot cleaner looking. As you can see over here, here's the edging I got, and then got another stack of wall blocks behind it. So try to recycle some of these and use them over here. And first things first, I think maybe I'll put a string line up, nice straight across here. Cut the sod out nice and straight so I got a place to put down my edging. I kind of got it leveled off here where I'm going to build this little wall to match the other side. So I just dug down and did my best to get it level. I'm not going to put anything underneath it because this is just only going to be like 3 blocks high and 3 foot long, so I mean it'll stay put. Now when you put these blocks in here, the first row obviously is most important. You want it leveled both ways. Once you get it in there like you want it, stack them up. It's easy at that point. Put my level in here, smack it with the mallet until you get it where you want it. There we go. Continue on around where you want to go, and so when you get the first row in the way you want it, just stack them up. Guys, you have to carve on these things a little bit. This little blade here, it's just a masonry blade for side grinder. It works great for just carving on them a little bit so that they fit a little bit better. Got the bottom blocks in there. I like to say I cut this block, but I already had it. They're used blocks. About half a block here. And I'm just kind of backfilling between the blocks and behind the blocks. Starting with my second row, which is really no more than just a little lip goes over the back there and stack them up. Alright, so far so good. Now I'm just going to backfill again, level this off, and I'm actually going to put one more row onto here and we'll call it good. I'm actually going to cut some tops for it. So started my top block here. Got my angle on my block with a pencil, and then I cut it on this tile saw here. So that's my plan. There we go. Looks good. I put in our edging here, made it nice and straight. Bon's been working hard. These are just interlocking pavers that are for edging. So anyway, we used a 2x4 down the side of it, straight 2x4 to make a straight line, and it turned out pretty good. Okay guys, it's actually been a couple weeks since I've finished this project. The grass has kind of grown back in and I just got it trimmed up, so I thought I'd give you one last look here before I wrap up this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you did. It really helps me out. And without further ado, here you go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.